This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Hyundai Ioniq 9. It's Hyundai's flagship, and this comes in 6 and 7 seater. And we just happen to have the 6 seater, which should yield the best cargo space. So we will start with the front. Wow, look how tall the hood is. Should be good space in here. Well, kinda. Let me see here. Will it fit a banana box? Why is the stuff in here so smutsig? Oh, well, I think I know the reason why. I mean, it has some rubber seal down here, but I'm not sure if it's 100% tight. Okay, anyway, we can take out some of the stuff here. Okay, it has this shape. Try to maximize as much as possible. Oh, it could almost fit a banana box, but okay, almost means 0. Man, this car is massive, but it's actually roughly the same outer dimension as a Model X. But okay, so I mean, as usual, wait, there's a button. It's a bit unusual place to put the button, not under here. But just like other cars with 3 seat rows, with the 3 seat rows up, then you don't have that much space. On this side we have 12-volt outlet there. We have vehicle to load. AC outlet there, we have some buttons here, and then a little cover, and here we can put a partial shelf and then some other stuff, but you cannot remove this, so you just have to leave it there. But let's see now. We try to fold the seats. Wait, I just folded everything. Okay, yeah. Oh, very elegant. Bam, bam, bam. Well, we're not gonna go all the way there yet. Wait, can he also go up? Wow, this is really nice and luxury. Look at that massive space. Okay, gonna go up. Ah, okay, yeah. We can only take those up, not the other one, right? Yeah. You here see the buttons. Okay, first round in the trunk. And I was just blown away how much space we have here, because we can in fact fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is incredible. Most cars with 3 seat rows, they might be able to fit around 3 to 4 only. All right, and then if we fold the seats now, choop, choop, then we just have to figure out about the second row, then how we can adjust them to get the maximum space. Wow, look at this. Okay, we have this handle here where you can recline quite far. Wow. And then if you just do this and let it click there, well, it's kind of charge band, but this works. But can we also go forward? Oh, we can. Okay. When you go all the way forward, then it becomes really forward. So, but then if we go all the way back, okay, I need to go more forward, but then to a point where it's still okay to sit there-ish, maybe. Okay, wait, maybe one more. Ioniq Bjorn says one more. Notch. There, yeah. Oh, I can barely get out. So this is in the most back position, and that's not all the way forward. Yeah, I think we can approve that forward position, right? Wow, I could fit a lot in here. That's what he said. I just wonder if this will be more than the EV9, which is a record holder right now. But yeah, so you see that we can fill it in a footwell there, and then all the way up there. And the car is quite boxy, so it was just perfect for this. Except for the back was slightly non-optimal, but still the best I could do. So EV9 could take 19 boxes. Can the Ioniq 9, the big brother, take more? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and we are not done yet. 21, and 3 more over here. 24. It is just amazing how much space we have. 24. That is a big new all-time high. Now we follow the seat and see then how many we can take. Just do that. Okay, kind of. Wow, this is just unbelievable how many boxes you can fit in here. I felt like it was a lot because I ran out of boxes in my stack car. I had to go get some more in the garage. Oh, this is gonna be good. So yeah, there's 2 positions. I could put the second row all the way back or all the way forward, and then you can put some boxes behind it. And then I chose the back position. I believe that is the best. You see here, plenty of leg room and also plenty of headroom. So this is going to be a lot. Will it be a new record? All right, it's time to turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
36, 37, 38, 39. 39, that is amazing. It's actually 5 more than the EV9. I don't know how the heck this car can have so much space, but it is massive. It is slightly longer than the EV9, and it's way more than Tesla Model X, even though the outer dimensions are quite similar. So wow, it's actually matching a Maxus Mifa 9, which is a minivan. Huh? The Koreans, man, they know how to make it real big. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.